you want to see how to glue pull? All you Harbor Freight heroes, DIY, I'll show you how. Walking down Harbor Freight and you see this glue pull set and you're like, man, I got a dent like this on my car. Does it really work? How about I show you? Drop some. So the difference between me and the Harbor Freight kit is, one, I have this $700 light at Anson. This light allows me to read the dent. So if we notice, this dent is a small crease. So we're gonna put glue on it, we're gonna stick it right on there. We're gonna pull this mug out. So you guys have been asking in the comments what glue we're using. This specific application, we are using Orange Fire. See, it's orange and fire. One thing they don't tell you with your Harbor Freight kit, what do you do when you pull the dent up too far? That's where I come and play. So we got the new Dent Reaper heavy duty tabs right here. Oh jeez. So you can get that Harbor Freight kit and then you can pull your dent out. What do you do when it's a high spot? The tools matter. We are the tool for you. Oh, that sounds weird.